Ladies and gentlemen, and fellow viewers from around the world, I stand before you today to share an important message, a message that can shape our decisions, transform our lives, and guide us towards a brighter future. Today I urge you, don't be brave, be wise. In a world that often glorifies bravery and recklessness, it may seem counterintuitive to advocate for wisdom. However, let us reflect for a moment on what it truly means to be brave. Bravery is often associated with acts of valor, courage, and facing danger head-on. While these qualities can indeed be commendable in certain situations, blindly pursuing bravery without wisdom can lead to catastrophic consequences. Wisdom, on the other hand, encompasses the ability to make sound judgments, consider the long-term implications of our actions, and navigate the complexities of life with thoughtfulness and discernment. It is the quality that enables us to rise above impulsive reactions and short-sighted choices, empowering us to make decisions that align with our values and goals. History is replete with examples of individuals who exemplified wisdom over blind bravery. Think of the great leaders and visionaries who brought about positive change through thoughtful decision-making and careful consideration of the consequences. Their wisdom allowed them to evaluate risks, seek alternative paths, and ultimately create a better world for themselves and those around them. In our personal lives, we often face challenges that test our resolve. It is during these moments that wisdom becomes our greatest ally. Rather than charging headlong into situations fueled by bravado, let us pause, reflect, and gather the necessary information to make informed choices. Wisdom encourages us to seek advice from those who have walked similar paths, to consider the perspectives of others, and to explore creative solutions that may not be immediately apparent. Being wise means understanding the value of patience and restraint, knowing that not every battle needs to be fought, and recognizing that sometimes the greatest act of bravery is the courage to walk away from a situation that will only bring harm. It means realizing that there is strength in vulnerability, and that true power lies in the ability to empathize and understand the viewpoints of others. By embracing wisdom over blind bravery, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. We become architects of our own destiny, creators of a future shaped by insight, compassion, and foresight. We become the change we wish to see, embodying the values of intelligence, compassion, and resilience. So let us strive for wisdom in every aspect of our lives, personally, socially, and globally. Let us make decisions that reflect our deepest convictions and promote the well-being of all. Together, let us redefine bravery and pave the way for a world where wisdom guides our actions, aspirations, and interactions. Thank you.